Won't you rise up, baby, it's a revolution.
Hi, it's Dr. Isabel from DoctorOnAMission.com, and today is Did You Know? Did you know about toothpaste? Most toothpaste have sugar and artificial colors in them. Why? Well, why don't we think about making our own? But before we talk about that, I want to let you know my husband and I switched over to this recipe 6 months ago, and the other day somebody asked us if we were whitening our teeth. We told them, yeah, we are with this toothpaste. So here goes. You take a half a cup of baking powder. Why? Because it's the whitener. And then you take 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. Make sure it's not the fragrance, and make sure it's not the extract that you cook with. And then the reason we use that is because it freshens your breath and it kills bacteria. And you can get that at the health food store. Next, you use 5 drops of myrrh essential oil. That's M-Y-R-R-H. And that is an antibacterial and an antifungal. Then you shake it up, moisten the tip of your toothbrush, put it into the powder, and brush away. And if you want a different taste, you can add some cinnamon just for some spice. So, do you know anybody that would benefit from this toothpaste recipe? Well, I hope you have a wonderful week, and remember, you know what I say, you are an unrepeatable miracle. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Won't you rise up, baby, it's a revolution.